see once again last people sitting at the last. Am I visible to you all? Am I visible to you? Am I audible? Okay. Can I see all of you giving a clap? Okay. Left side. Can I see the clap? Left side. Right side. Now see the difference. Left side once again. All together. Very nice, thank you. And express my hearty congratulations and best wishes on the day of World Mental Health. And don't ask me where is our physical health. Just wait. Okay. And in fact, have you all taken breakfast?
Yes, sir.
How many yes?
Yes.
This is very dangerous body language. Yes or no. This is very dangerous. 50-50. Gopi, what do you call? Yes or no?
Yes.
How many yes? Comfortably?
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Come on, say all of you yes?
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. How many of you love your profession? How many of you love your profession? The nursing you have joined.
Yes.
Honestly. I said honestly. Madam. Okay, fine. You never feel bored. I have given 3,000 programs, listen to me, including America last year, 2016, America, Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, Chicago, different places. My son and daughter-in-law, both are doctors in Philadelphia, Philly, UPenn, University of Pennsylvania. Okay, fine. I said, how many of you want to enjoy life peacefully? Naturally. Naturally? Okay, fine. How many of you, I'll give some interesting tips. You never feel bored, I tell you. Those who are absent today definitely feel a lot of what you call loss today. Okay, fine. How many of you enjoy laughing? Most important, please. Okay? I don't teach you asanas now. I'll give enlightenment to what extent we can lead our life peacefully. Drug free, tension free, crime free, pollution free, ego free. Then you can enjoy the real freedom of life. I'll explain what it is. Okay. So how many of you love nature? I said how many of you love nature? Don't enjoy nature? Okay. Forget Hyderabad nature. I said nature is general. Not Hyderabad, okay. The rainy and rainy is no. I said nature, okay. Very nice. How many of you love kids? Small kids? How many of you love small kids? How many of you play with small pet animals? Pet animals?
10%.
How many of you love senior citizens? I said senior citizens, old age, grandparents, grandma, and okay. I said senior citizens. Very nice. Very good. How many of you believe in God? Absolutely. Absolutely. How nice. Okay, very nice. How many of you love Mother Teresa? Mother Teresa? Good. Okay. How many of you want to get marks without attending classes? That's honest. Okay. Don't worry about the principal, Professor Tulasi Madam and also Rajeshwari Madam. How many of you want marks without attending classes? Easily.
We will not see.
I'm a therapeutic yoga master, not just theoretical. Okay? I'll give something very interesting and important which are useful for you and which you cannot get any book. Clear? It's my sadhana. It's my self-experience. I treat diseases. Okay? Therapeutic approach. Organ-based pranayama. Anganga pranayama. Okay. Coming to 2 points. Yeah, I must greet the principal of the college. I say, there is a lot of employability. Placements for nurses and physiotherapy. The upcoming domains now, everywhere outside eventually. Okay, so getting job is no problem, but getting on with the job is a problem. Getting job no problem, but getting on with your job is a problem. Nothing like that. Pratikadam kashtam kaadu, pratikinchadam kashtam. What's up with the point I tell you where the problem lies. Okay, very nice signals. And another thing, between mind and body, which is very important, because the mental health, I tell you what is mental health. Between mind and body, okay, which is very important. Quick, answer. Don't worry, feel free. How many of you say mind is very important? Raise your hands. Without wasting time. I said between mind and body, tick mark only one. Either mind or body. Mind, how many of you suppose only mind is very important? Mind. Very nice, very nice. Propose only the body? It's clear. But I tell you, interestingly, mind plus body is equal to man. Clear? Yes. Can you please repeat all of you? Mind plus body is equal to man. Once again? Mind plus body is equal to man. But interestingly, mind without body, shapeless. Accepted? Mind without body, shapeless. And body without mind, functionless. So mind without body, shapeless, and body without mind, functionless. So mind 50, body 50. Accepted? Yes. Rider 50 and bike 50. Understand? Rider 50, bike 50, mind 50, body 50, mother 50, father 50, male 50, female 50, soil 50, seed 50, night 50, day 50, sound 50, silence 50. That's a concept. Got the meaning? That's a concept.